Hi there, students. A mascot. Okay, a mascot is a person, an animal, or an object that is believed to bring good luck to, or one that represents an organization or an event. So, for example, I think since the 1960s, the Olympics has, or each Olympics has had its own mascot. I think regiments in army regiments very often have a mascot. So the regimental mascot is often a goat or a llama or a dog or something like that. You could have a team mascot as well. Very often nowadays, team mascots is a person dressed up in an outfit to cheer on the team and to raise the crowd. So it's a symbol believed to bring good luck. But very often a mascot, it's an animal or some sort of creature or some sort of person to symbolize a team, to symbolize an organization. So many teams have their own mascot. I'm sure you can think of good examples of this. And then as a mascot, you dress up in a costume, and you go to as the team mascot. But notice a mascot as well can be something that it's like a lucky charm. So I always keep this gold nugget as a lucky mascot. I always have it in my pocket whenever I take exams. So it can be a human, an animal, an object. It's thought to bring good luck, and it's used to represent a group with a common identity. A school mascot, a sports team mascot, the mascot for a military unit, even a brand name. Okay, mascots can also be used as representatives, as spokesmen for a product. Mascots are really part of the merchandising of sports. And the team mascot is normally related to the team's nickname. So it's an animal. It can be a living animal, or it can be some sort of cartoon or some sort of idea to support the team. The athletics team of the University of Alabama have a mascot that's an elephant called Big Al, for example. Okay, a costumed character as well. Okay, so this a mascot. It's something that represents a team. It represents a group. It's adopted as a symbolic figure that brings good luck. It's something that is giving a common identity. So he's the team mascot, and he leads the players out onto the pitch. The team's mascot is a dolphin. During his journey to the position of number one, with him was always his mascot, Johnny, a large white guinea pig. Our mascot has been a popular figure at matches, very often outside the stadium. My grandmother's St. Christopher is something I consider to be my lucky mascot. The artillery company had a bear as a mascot. Okay, so a mascot. I think Sonic the Hedgehog is Sega's mascot. Mario is probably, or Super Mario is the mascot of Nintendo. I think he's Nintendo's official mascot. Okay, so a mascot, it's something that represents, it brings good luck. The team had a mountain lion as their mascot. Yeah, it's an animal, a toy, a symbol which is associated with an organization. It's thought to bring good luck. The official mascot of the Commonwealth Games. Okay, so it brings luck. Well, that's the idea of it. So it's some sort of talisman, a charm, some sort of totem. Okay, so our school had a mascot known as Freddy Bird. They had a panda as their mascot. Okay, so there are mascots all over the place. Let's see, this word comes from French mascot, which comes from Occitan. Occitan is the language spoken in the south of France, or what was spoken in the south of France, Catalonia, and parts of northern Italy. From masca, meaning a witch, yeah, which comes from medieval Latin, masca, a spectre or a nightmare. So, mascot. Formality. I think I would give this a 5 in formality. I think use it anywhere. So, mascot.